How to use Zelle with the Wells Fargo app. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your Wells Fargo application and then find the pay and transfer option at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will find different options like to transfer money and send money with Zelle. Choose the second option and there you're going to have to tap on the send option. You have send request and QR code. Just tap on the send icon to send money with Zelle. Now select a recipient, and if you don't see your person there, tap on the add icon at the center of your screen to add another recipient. Now add their information like their name, last name, and then tap on continue. Now select the amount that you want to send from your checking account. Now add a memo if you want, and then tap on review. Then it will show you the overview of the payment. Now tap on send, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.